is Granny, and today I'm working on another quilt to take to the nursing home, and this is the no-sew blanket. And I had a friend of mine that asked me if I would show her just exactly how to do these, because she was wanting to make some. And basically, the first thing that you do is, of course, is pick out a fabric that you like. Like this one here is a bunch of little kitty cats, and then you get another piece of fabric that, you know, matches or whatever colors you like to coordinate with. And then you decide what size you want to make, and then you make sure that you cut both pieces of fabric the same size. And after you do that, I like to secure mine all the way around with either pins, or in this case these are little clips. And once I've got that done, then you're going to use some masking tape, measuring tape and pins, and we're going to go around and start cutting our ties. And the first thing they have you do is you're going to cut out a square on each corner. And sometimes I'll do, you know, like a 4-inch square, and sometimes a 3-inch. It kind of depends on like how long you want your strips to be and how big your blanket is. So you'll take your tape measure and measure out. I'm going to do this one 4 inches, and you measure to each side 4 inches, and then to the other side 4 inches, and I place a pin. And then I go along down all the edges and do the same thing on the corners and measure 4 inches and place a pin. And after I got all my pins in, then I take my masking tape and I go along wherever the pins are, and I put my masking tape. And then you cut out your corners that you've made. And after you get that done, and you got these corners cut out, I'm going to go ahead and cut this one here out and let you see here. So you'll have a square. And I save these because later on you can sew all these together and make your little quilt or another blanket. And then once you get the corner, you just go in and I start cutting my strips, and I go 1 inch, and you just cut, and then you've got your tie right here, and you go all the way around doing this right here, just cutting your little ties. And once you get that done, you come back and you just start just making a knot, just tying it in a knot, and you go all the way around, and your blanket is then secured. And like I said, sometimes I will go ahead and put it on the sewing machine first and sew around it and then do my ties. And then the end prop, after you get through it, looks like this right here. And the other side, if you get a good look, it's just all tied together, and it makes a real warm blanket. So I've got this one done, and I'm going to work on this, and after I get 3 or 4 more, I'm going to take them over to the nursing home. And I tell you what, I really enjoy doing this, and there's all different types of blankets that you can make, and I'll show you how to do some different ones later. God bless, and I love you. Bye.